Unlock the magic of Monopoly Go's community chest and boost your game by teaming up with friends. First, let's find that elusive community chest icon. Keep an eye out for it as you navigate your album and board progress. The key to unlocking the chest is collaboration. Head to the Friends tab and make sure you've connected with fellow players. Sending and accepting friend requests is crucial. Once you're friends, you can start contributing to shared goals. Look for prompts that encourage you to help your buddies out. This could involve sending shields, helping them complete a build faster, or even participating in a special event together. Every little bit of help counts towards activating that chest. As you and your friends meet these collaborative goals, the community chest will gradually fill up. You'll often see a progress bar indicating how close you are to unlocking the rewards. Once the progress bar is full, it's time to claim your bounty. Simply tap on the activated community chest icon. Inside, you'll find a treasure trove of goodies, free dice rolls, cash bonuses, and sometimes even shields to protect your own creations. These rewards are essential for accelerating your in-game progress and climbing the leaderboards. Remember, the more you engage with your friends and contribute to shared objectives, the more often you'll unlock these valuable community chest rewards. So, get out there, connect with your Monopoly Go pals, and start sharing your success.